Purchase process. Here is the EPEX R636D3 vending machine. Doors locked until payment made. Select the cargo lane you wish to buy. Payment. After payment is completed, the blue light on the right side of the tray will flash for 15 seconds, and the clear cylinder cover rotate 180 degrees to expose the item you selected. In the meantime, the door is unlocked for 2 minutes for you to pick up the item that you selected. The spinner will rotate another 180 degrees to load the next item from behind. The blue light stops flash and the door will be locked again when closed.